Hi everyone, going in my 14th JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament High October date 11 ku khau punithe khani November date 8 man tat kai na phangni mitong tournament ko high me go in arena go na cham lo khang khani support cham lo khang zen hoi mitong ai don ku the
Hello, me go in da Remy Call Tournament 14 JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament 2025 hai October date 11 khori khau na November date 8 phau snap mithe kumna me go in arena go na zalo go na zamphoi na thai ba me ku the
The 14th JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament will start on 11 October at 10:30 a.m. at Kumanlambak Main Stadium, Imphal East. So everyone, come one, come all, and let us cheer for the Jalanong people.
Lugday utang may JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament 2025 hay October buzang lukabu kuri kahonga November buzang tasat phok snaro bithe hikumna megoi menerina gona jawlo bu tuna jam hoina di thaiba me thunku the
Hello, my name is Raimi Tournament 14 JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament 2025 hai October 11 khori kahona November date 8 phau na lawan the kumna mai mai gona jawlo na janghoi na thar
14th JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament hai kangen ki mai October mu jang 11 khau hau na November jang 8 hau dal punithe kumna me go in arena go jam chui na jalo.com jam hoi mitong ai don ku the
Hi, मैं गोइना खंगाई मिसाम खतंगोंगे मी पिथलो अकाई जेलेमरोंग थो 14 तंग माइ JADONANग Memorial Football Tournament हाई date 11 October खरे date 8 November फाउ हाई तकाई दिखे मी गाव हाई मैं गोइना चंगकोम लौना वो मैं जाउ जुइना जाउ लो बुदियो खंजे होये मैं गोइना गोमचिना गोम लो पुओ आइनी गोम पुने नि गोम लो पुओ
Hello everyone. Tournament 14 tang mai JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament 2025 hai October date 11 khare ko hona November date 8 phau hai takare bunite sabu mai tournament hai me go na rina ka na chong mo khati support sam mo ko chong mo
Company my 14 tang mai JADONANG Memorial Football Tournament 2025 hai October buzang khabu khorena November sang sa phau snap ni the kumna mai go in arena gom na zalo buo na sa phoi